Okay, we're gonna keep going until the camera shuts off again. It is sunny and hot, and so we'll take the main street back home. Halo, apa kabar?
Baik, baik.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, neighborhood kids. And wow, I have never been over here now. It's just 32 years, and you get into habits. And so this is nice and spruced up. So this is very spruced up, very nice. What does this say? Now, talking about signs and people not coming in places, right? So let's take a look at this. This says, it's got Indonesian, Balinese, and English. And it says, in case you can't read this close up, do not enter into the temple, men or women, without wearing traditional dress of Bali, women who are menstruating. Okay, so there's a sign. And so tourists, even stupid tourists, should be able to read that. And this is Pura Hamansari. Hello. Kids are playing with sandal spot. Okay, let's bring up the view some. And you get these little rooms like my wife's all over, and that is normal. Okay, how far can I go on here? This is, wow, neighborhood adventure. And if I go out to the main street when I come back, it should tell me where I am, which kampung, which Urahan, which Banjar. No signs here. And this has got a marker, so I'm pretty sure this goes up to the street. And we've got a dog. Hello, Siang. And, well, looks like there's a walk stop there. No, I don't know. Let's see. Let's keep going until the camera stops. We're close to it. This is a Thursday. Don't know when I will upload this video, but this is a Thursday. And wow, what is that? That's an official building because it's green. Okay. So, got a rickety old thing there to cross. Should I go back or not? That's the question. Do I want to walk across here with my camera? What is that? There's a playground there. Okay. Can I get across this? Okay, my balance is not very good, but I made it across without killing myself. And so, wow, not easy to cross. If the tide's out, you could walk across here. but the tide is not really out. And so, now we're gonna see, what is this? Government housing, maybe? I think we'll take the next street up and then go home because, wow, it is hot and I am sweating. So all of these are fishing villages along here, obviously. You can see with all the prows, the sampans, the jukuns. But people also have jobs, sometimes part-time, sometimes full-time, or they have their own business. Like one of our neighbors is a iron worker, metal worker, and so he's got that. My wife has her warung. Some of the guys are just fish as their only source of income, their sole source of income. And so we're gonna see what we come out here. This is interesting. And can I get out of here through here? Hopefully I do not have to go back over that bridge because it's a little rickety and muddy here. Ooh. Licin. Hello. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Licin. Okay, so can I get out that way? Not sure. Okay, my shoes get all muddy. Siang.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Ya?
From?
Dari sana,
Dari mana?
Kampung Bugis.
Oh, Kampung Bugis. Tinggal di sana.
Ya,
Di mana sih Kampung Bugisnya?
di pinggir pantai.
Yang
Dekat apa, mungkin 100 meter barat dari pelabuhan.
oh 100 meter di barat pelabuhan.
Ya,
Yang dekat banyak ayam itu ya.
ya,
Asal dari mana?
dari Amerika.
Oh, Amerika. Senang di Bali.
Ya, sudah 32 tahun.
32 tahun.
Sudah ada 5 anak, 4 cucu
Istrinya orang sana.
dari Kampung Bugis.
Kampung Bugis. Main-main sini.
Hah?
Main-main sini.
Oh iya, kasih ya.
Ya bikin tempat duduk enak sini nanti.
Oh, ini tempat duduk.
Ya biar bersih pantainya.
Ya, bagus itu.
Ya bersih, saya ini bikin rapi semua dikit.
Ya.
Seperti ini ada. Ini jalan turun ke bawah. Ini tuh
Oh, iya.
yang di Kampung Bugis sholat aku.
Ada tangga.
Bisa sembahyang sholat.
Oh, bisa.
Oh bagus ya bagus. Bisa dia udah aku nangin mau di Kampung Bugis. Itu kampung sholat nih. Itu sembahyang sholat ya lang.
Ini kampung apa?
Ini bukan kampung, ini desa Kubu Jati
Oh.
yang di barat sana itu kampung kampung apa namanya? Kampung Baru.
Kampung Baru.
Kampung Baru, Kampung Tinggi. Ini itu apa namanya? Taman Sari. Ini Kubu Jati. Kubu Jati.
Kubu Jati ya. Oh, oke. Oh,
Kubu
bagus
yang
ini.
enak.
Ya.
Ini saya bikin rapi biar ya tidak ada, bisa bersih-bersih tiap hari. Seneng bisa duduk karaoke.
Ya.
Main biliar sana, main biliar ya.
Dan
Nanti
ini
main
apa?
main
Sama?
biliar sana.
Oh, main biliar.
Sementara.
Oh, ya.
Kalau nanti pariwisata bagus, bikin tempat makan.
Ya.
Tapi sekarang belum bisa. Teman-teman masih belum siap.
Oh, ya.
It's not yet ready for that.
Oh, ya.
So I will like to be slowly but sure.
Oke. Oh, bisa bicara bahasa Inggris ya. Bagus itu.
Ah.
My mother is from Netherlands. My mother is from Netherlands.
Oh, ya? Oh. Di mana dia? Tinggal di sana?
She lives here.
Oh, ya. Oh.
Kita tinggal di sini. Ini rumah kita.
This is our house.
Oh, okay. His mom is from the Netherlands, and they live over here.
Aku lagi itu swasta.
Okay. Kasih ya.
Oke, sama-sama.
Ya.
Namanya siapa?
Bruce.
Bruce.
Ya.
Ya, ini Bruce Lee.
Ya, Bruce Lee.
Ya, nama saya Widi.
Widi.
Widi Yoga ya.
Oh ya.
Nanti main ke sini.
Oh ya, kasih.
Kalau lupa Widi, bilang Yoga.
Oh ya.
Nanti kita main duduk sini. Senang main biliar.
Ya.
Saya main sini.
Oh ya, kasih ya.
Bisa minum bir.
Oh bagus ya.
Beli bir murah di sana.
Oh
Di Swalayan nanti.
ya.
30.000. Murah. Sharing.
Okay. Kasih ya.
Oke, sampai nanti.
Yeah. Okay, I'll translate that conversation later, but he was inviting me to come back and hang out and have some beer. Okay, my voice is going, so it is time to head home. There's a Pura Taman Sagara Kubujati. Oh, so this is Desa Kubujati. Now, can I find a road that takes me back to main road? This may. Okay, let's take a look at this first. Hello. Okay, nice temple. Can I get all this in here? Okay, this says Pura Sagara Desa Adat Banyuning. Oh, okay. Desa Banyuning. Never been here. And one of those little rat dogs I don't like. And same kind of boats and everything. And, well, speaking of trees and climbing them, now, let's see if I get back here. So this is a tree that, like what the foreigner that I was talking about in the latest news from Bali in Indonesia, same kind of a tree. I don't know how long this has been here, but you can see that this is a decorated tree. And so you are not going to be climbing it, you would think. Okay, which way should I go? Oh, Pak.
Buat apa?
Mau jalan raya. Bagaimana bisa masuk itu?
Oh, masuk ke sana?
Ya.
Di sana tuh asrama tentara.
Oh ya. Oh, itu asrama tentara.
Nggak bisa dari sini. Nggak bisa.
Oh ya.
Kalau ini buntu, belum ada jembatan.
Oh ya.
Nah.
Ya.
Terus
Bagaimana sini?
maksudnya?
Ada jalan yang bisa masuk ke Jalan Suropati?
Oh, ada. Lurus belok kanan.
Oh ya.
Ketemu perempatan. Jalan Raya Bypass.
Oh ya ya.
Iya.
Ya, kasih ya.
Ayo, terima kasih.
Yuk.
Lurus belok kanan.
Yeah. Okay, got directions. Said go straight and take a right.